Okay, this is going to be take one. Not done this before, just going to see how it goes. So this is how to replace the old right control panel with the new right control panel. The old right control panel comes off by squeezing the sides, and that takes the panel off, and then you just simply push the panel back on again and it latches. So to replace this with the new type, you remove the old panel. The clip is made of two parts, the front and the back. We need to take the front part of that clip off. There's a small screwdriver, and there's little clips in the middle. And then once you get those released, the front part comes out, and it shows the connector connected to a small circuit board on the front. You need to remove the connector off that circuit board and leave this hanging out of the hole. Now you need to remove the back part of the clip. Push the connector through the clip, but leave it hanging out of the hole. Now you take the new clip. This is just a one-piece clip, not two like the other, and screw this onto the existing hole with some more screws, with the gap facing upwards. Before doing that, you need to put the existing connector into the back of the new clip. It goes in by sliding it up past these two little tabs here and here, and then back down into the base, so that when you turn it over you can't see any of the connectors sticking out the top. And then you screw this back onto the wall. And that is ready to take the new display, and to fit this display it doesn't have any tabs that squeeze on the sides. It simply clips in, prongs clip into the connector, and the easiest way of doing this is to bring the bottom up so it mates with the clip, push the top in and push it downwards and it clicks on. Now this particular style of control panel doesn't have a hand release way of removing. So what you have to do is get a small flat blade screwdriver, just put this behind the centre, and there's a small tab which you push in, and then the panel lifts upwards and you can just remove it. There.